Assalamu alaikum friends. Hello friends. Hello everyone once again. Welcome to my core channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty. Keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, stylish crochet children's, baby girls, baby boys, neck, formal designs, ideas collection. Beautiful caps, beautiful scarf, beautiful mufflers, very amazing colorful crochet. Winter collection, caps designs, warmer designs, scarf designs, cowl designs, button cowls designs. Beautiful colors, beautiful patterns, very amazing, colorful, stylish winter collection ideas, designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can also buy to the market about such design. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion and videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar design for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Don't miss any video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion leather designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again next video. Thank you so much and don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Remember, press bell.